To thrive in the dynamic landscape of gaming content creation in 2024, a successful growth strategy involves a combination of high-quality content, community engagement, strategic collaborations, and adaptability to emerging trends. From optimizing SEO to fostering a vibrant online presence, this guide explores key elements to elevate and expand your gaming channel in the ever-evolving world of online gaming. Number 11. Quality content is key. To grow a gaming channel in 2024, it's crucial to prioritize the creation of high-quality, engaging content. Invest in good equipment for recording and editing to ensure your videos stand out both visually and audibly. Viewers are more likely to subscribe and stay engaged if they enjoy the production quality. Additionally, finding a niche or unique angle for your channel is key. Consider specializing in specific game genres, introducing challenges, providing insightful reviews, or delivering entertaining commentary. This will help you carve out a distinct identity in the saturated gaming content landscape and attract a dedicated audience interested in your particular focus. Consistency is also vital, so establish a regular uploading schedule to keep your audience anticipating and returning for more content. Lastly, engage with your community through comments, social media, and collaborations to foster a sense of connection and loyalty among your viewers. Number 10. Consistent upload schedule. To effectively grow your gaming channel in 2024, establishing a consistent posting schedule is paramount. This not only helps in keeping your audience engaged, but also builds anticipation and loyalty among your viewers. Consistency fosters a sense of reliability, letting your audience know when to expect new content from your channel. Whether it's a daily upload, a weekly series, or bi-weekly releases, maintaining a regular schedule helps create a routine for your viewers, making them more likely to return for your content. Additionally, a consistent posting schedule contributes to the algorithmic visibility on platforms like YouTube, potentially attracting new viewers to discover and subscribe to your channel. Therefore, prioritize reliability and adhere to your chosen posting schedule to optimize audience retention and channel growth. Number 9. Engage with your audience. Engaging with the audience by responding to comments on your videos is essential for fostering a thriving community around your gaming channel. Building this sense of community is a crucial factor in achieving growth. Take the time to interact with viewers, respond to their questions, and acknowledge their feedback. Additionally, consider incorporating live streaming into your strategy to connect with your audience in real time. Platforms like Twitch and YouTube Live provide excellent opportunities to engage with viewers, answer questions on the spot, and create a more interactive experience. Live streaming not only enhances the sense of community, but also allows you to showcase your personality, further strengthening the bond with your audience and contributing to the overall growth of your gaming channel. Number 8. Utilize social media. Expand the reach of your gaming channel by sharing your content across different social media platforms, employing hashtags, and incorporating relevant keywords to enhance discoverability. Utilize the diverse audience on platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook to showcase your videos to a wider audience. Additionally, become an active participant in gaming communities and forums that align with your content. Engage with these communities by sharing your videos where relevant, participating in discussions, and contributing valuable insights. This proactive approach not only increases the visibility of your content, but also allows you to connect with like-minded individuals, potentially attracting more subscribers to your gaming channel. Number 7. Optimize video titles and thumbnails. Crafting captivating video titles and eye-catching thumbnails is crucial as they serve as the initial impressions for potential viewers, significantly influencing click-through rates. Your video title should be intriguing, providing a glimpse into the content while sparking curiosity. Simultaneously, design thumbnails that are visually appealing and representative of the video's essence. A compelling combination of a compelling title and an engaging thumbnail entices viewers to click and explore your content further. These elements not only enhance discoverability, but also contribute to the overall attractiveness of your gaming channel, ultimately playing a pivotal role in increasing viewership and fostering audience growth. Number 6. SEO optimization. Elevating the searchability of your gaming videos is a critical step in expanding your channel's reach, and achieving this involves a strategic approach to search engine optimization, SEO. To optimize for search engines, it's imperative to integrate pertinent keywords seamlessly into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This meticulous use of keywords enhances the visibility of your content, making it more likely for your videos to appear in search results and suggested feeds. The strategic integration of relevant keywords serves a dual purpose. Not only does it make it easier for your target audience to discover your gaming videos when searching for specific topics or games, but it also contributes to the overall discoverability of your channel. Implementing effective SEO practices across these elements is akin to fine-tuning your content strategy to align with the active searches and interests of your potential viewers. This proactive approach ensures that your gaming content is well-positioned to reach a broader audience interested in the niche you cover. In essence, effective SEO is a powerful tool for attracting a diverse viewership, ultimately playing a significant role in the sustained growth and success of your gaming channel. Number 5. Collaborate with other creators. Forge collaborations with fellow gaming creators to tap into each other's audiences and broaden your channel's exposure. By teaming up with other content creators in the gaming community, you can reach a wider range of viewers who may not have discovered your content otherwise. This collaborative effort creates a mutually beneficial scenario where both parties can introduce their audiences to new and interesting content. Leveraging the networks of other gaming creators is an effective strategy to expand your reach, enhance visibility, and foster growth for your gaming channel. Number 4. Stay informed about trends. Stay vigilant about emerging gaming trends and upcoming releases. Developing content centered around popular games or current trends can draw in more viewers intrigued by the latest topics. By keeping a keen eye on the pulse of the gaming community, you position your channel to capitalize on the enthusiasm surrounding new releases or trending games, attracting a broader audience interested in staying up to date with the latest gaming discussions. This proactive approach ensures that your content remains relevant and aligns with the current interests of your target audience, contributing to increased viewership. Number 3. Invest in channel branding. Creating an eye-catching channel banner, logo, and ensuring consistent branding across all your social media platforms is a pivotal step in building a successful gaming channel in 2024. These visual elements serve as the face of your brand, leaving a lasting impression on your audience. A professional and recognizable brand not only enhances the visual appeal of your online presence, but also establishes a unique identity that viewers can easily remember. By maintaining a cohesive and well-designed brand across various platforms, you contribute to the overall professionalism of your gaming channel. This, in turn, fosters a sense of trust and recognition among your viewers, encouraging them to engage more deeply with your content. A visually appealing brand can set your channel apart in a crowded digital landscape, attracting new subscribers and contributing to the overall growth and success of your gaming venture. Number 2. Encourage subscriptions and notifications. Encourage your audience to subscribe to your channel and activate notifications to stay informed about new content releases. Reminding viewers to hit the subscribe button and enable notifications ensures they don't miss out on your latest uploads. Building a subscribed and notified audience enhances the chances of retaining loyal viewers who consistently engage with your gaming content. Number 1. Analytics and adaptation. Frequent analysis of your analytics is a crucial practice to gain valuable insights into the performance of your gaming channel. Regularly delving into viewer engagement and feedback provides a nuanced understanding of what resonates with your audience and what doesn't. Armed with this information, you can adapt your content strategy, tailoring your approach to align more closely with the preferences and interests of your viewers. This iterative process of analysis and adaptation enables you to refine your content continuously. It's a dynamic approach that ensures your content remains relevant and compelling, enhancing the chances of attracting and retaining a loyal audience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.